Here's why Christmas in the Philippines starts in September. According to our elders, culture bearers, and scholars, celebrating holiday season in September has a much deeper indigenous roots. September coincides with the coming of Amihan or Amihan or the North Wind, the beginning of the festive season of rebirth and rebuilding. It marks the end of the typhoon season back in the day, hence the time to rebuild and to be reborn. The coming of Amihan is signaled by the arrival of the sacred bird Tarat, migratory birds that come and eat all the locusts and pests, thus saving the rice harvest for the rest of the year, saving the people from starvation. It is also only during this season that many of our traditional holiday food are grown and harvested, such as everybody's favorite, ube. So yes, many of our modern-day traditions we associate with Christianity can actually trace their roots all the way back to our pre-colonial past, including food. Check out my YouTube to learn more.